Hey Fetii, welcome to Alpha Xi Delta here at Texas State University. Let me show you around. This is the formal living room. We all hang out here before chapter meetings. We do a lot of studying here. We're actually turning this over here into a coffee bar. We love to study here and hang out after a weekend of fun activities. This is our dining room table. We eat all of our meals here. This is our kitchen. It has to fit a lot of stuff for our 8 wonderful residents. A hot commodity here at the house is actually our ice machine. This is our media room. It's a fan favorite for our house girls to take naps in here. We also watch Dancing with the Stars every Tuesday after chapter in here.
All of the rooms in the house are singles. Here is my room. My favorite color is pink, if you can't tell. And the best decor in the house, the Fetii flag.
Out here is our deck. A lot of girls love to eat lunch here, study, weekend debrief. Down here, we have our pool. We're the only sorority at Texas State that has a pool. Our crest is at the bottom. Hey Fetii, thanks for stopping by. And don't forget, Alpha, Alpha, Alpha Xi, we're the best.